Hi guys, welcome to your weekly belly dance tutorials with me, Katie Alyce. This week we're going to be doing snake arms. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want your weekly belly dance tutorials as well. Also like and comment below if there's anything you want to be seeing. So let's get started. So for our snake arms, we're going to start by lifting our arm up, but we're leading by our elbow. So we're just going to take our arm out to the side, lead by our elbow, and then the wrist is going to follow afterwards. So elbow, wrist, and let the hand float up. Then we lead by the elbow to come back down again. So let the elbow lead first, then followed by the wrist, and let the hand softly change at the bottom. Good, so let's try that again. So lifting from the elbow, follow with the wrist, and lead down with the elbow, follow with the wrist. Perfect, let's try it the other side. Elbow lifts, elbow leads to come down. And again, elbow leads to come down. So don't forget to change the hand as you're lifting it up, and it changes to come back down. Good. So we're going to alternate it this time. We're going to lift up with one arm, let that arm fall, change to the other side, lift up, and let it fall. Good, one more time, lift up, let the elbow come down first, and perfect. So this time we're going to change, we're going to alternate it by lifting one arm up. We're going to have it ready, and then we're going to have the other arm coming up as this arm comes down. So let's start by lifting the one arm up, ready, and we're going to get the other arm ready. So this hand will be facing down to lift up, and this one will be facing up to come down, if that makes sense. So one arm comes up, one arm comes down. Good. Hold it there, and we're just going to change the hands. Make sure the elbows are about to lead again. Good. And lift up again. Change the hands. So this one's going to be lifted up, this one's going to be down, and bring the arms up. Good. And we can try and make it a bit smoother. We're just going to keep it going. So we're going to lift one arm up, change the hands right at the end, and keep the arm alternating. Perfect. It might feel a bit weird with the coordination to start with, but again, just watch yourself in front of the mirror and perfect it as you go, just making sure that your hands get used to it. And then the muscle memory should kick in, and you'll be able to get them nice and smooth. Good. Just make sure your shoulders are relaxed when you're doing this. Shoulders are rolled back as well. Good. Well done, guys. Excellent work on the snake arms, guys. So don't forget to tune in next week for more belly dance tutorials. See you next time. What should I say? I forgot, what do I say? Hi you guys, so welcome to my weekly belly dance tutorials. This week is all about snake arms. So, I don't know what to say. Don't forget to subscribe and like, no. So let's get cracking. This is what I can't do. Nice. Right, next